The baseball test demonstrated today was definitely a fair and accurate test of putting a laptop that is classified as rugged through just that. You really don't think of the damage of a baseball causing damage to your normal standard everyday laptop. However, with today's testing, I must say that the laptop took a lot of beating and continued to work.
Off-the-shelf computers tend not to be as reliable in a pinch because they may have been taking a bump along the way and something could have happened to one of the components in the computer, and that data is just not readily available when it's needed. In this rugged category, these computers really are ready when they're needed, and this Panasonic refurbished product is just a great value for them.
I have personally used the Panasonic laptop for over 10 years now, and I find it to be very ruggedized. It generally operates 24 hours a day in a law enforcement capacity. Officers tend to bang into it all the time, and no matter what, as you hit that power button, it always runs.
Well, the importance of the data integrity is that while police officers are maybe out on the road, they might be even capturing video on these computers and or being able to access critical information when they need it. And you just need to have a reliable piece of equipment so that that data is readily available when they need it.
Well, it's important for the Toughbook's laptop to be able to work because it saves people's lives every day. We depend on it to, come through with the assistance we need to be efficient and effective in doing what we do.
We haven't had a problem with any of the Panasonics, whether refurbished or brand new.
Generally, agencies, or whether it be private or public entities, just don't have the capital to pay for a brand new laptop when a used laptop by Panasonic works just as well, and you can't tell the difference.
The real benefit to us buying a refurbished laptop is cost savings.
Police departments today are getting very limited budgets, and in the past when they might have gotten $5,000 or $10,000 available to purchase computers, they'd buy new computers and unfortunately only be able to afford 1 to maybe 3 computers. Today, with the same budget, $5,000 to $10,000, with the Toughbook Depot refurbished Panasonic computer, you can get 6 to 12 computers, and it's just a tremendous benefit in these economic times.
We're saving half to 3/4 on a refurbished compared to a brand new one.
Keeping customers happy is very important to us. We know that word of mouth is the way most of these agencies interact with each other. They go to the same conferences, they talk to each other. Maybe it's just neighboring towns or neighboring counties, but at some point they come across each other, and a good word from an existing customer goes a really long way, perhaps inviting a new customer into our fold.
The service with Toughbook Depot has been great. It's been pretty much flawless as far as the purchase order and everything that's gone through.
The customer service at Toughbook Depot is great. I mean, the staff works very well with the customers. They answer all the questions. They're very knowledgeable in the product, and I must say that I'll always come back because that customer service is top-notch.
We find that people are looking for maybe a keyboard adjustment or replacement, hard drive adjustments, which tend to be parts that are hard to find in the marketplace. Battery components, chargers, and things like that. We stock all of that at Toughbook Depot. We offer a 1-year warranty within our price at $795. We also have options for a standard warranty up to 3 years, and beyond that, Toughbook Depot is offering the only no-fault warranty in the industry.
I am surprised to actually see the hands-on demonstration. I can say that I've personally dropped the Toughbook, and whether it be a brand new laptop or a used refurbished laptop, I must say that it works. It's solid.
We're only dealing with a grade A product, and once that product gets completely refurbished, it's 100% functional. Toughbook Depot is going to go beyond that, and we're going to go a step beyond in every case. We want to make sure that every part of that computer is functioning properly before it gets put back into service.
And I threw the ball as hard as I could, but no avail.
I drilled that thing as hard as I could, and it felt good, and it still turned on. So I mean, I'm in awe. That was awesome.
The Toughbook test that we performed today with the baseballs not only was a fun event for everybody that participated, but it does give an idea back to the impact that can occur even in daily life, but certainly a baseball impact is pretty severe. And to show that a Toughbook, refurbished Toughbook, can hold up to this kind of abuse is really excellent. I don't think in the daily life of any computer use in a police vehicle that they're going to have that kind of a strike on the computer. However, we've proven today that it can certainly take that kind of abuse and hold up and continue to perform as it's required.